studied about the decimal expansion. Now to make it very simple, आपको बहुत ही आसान हो जाए समझने में, इसलिए I have prepared a flow chart. Okay, into decimal expansion we have studied that it could be of four category: terminating, non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring. Wherein recurring means what? Repeating terms, जैसे 0.3333 and so on, right? हमने जो example देखा था. अभी इस फ्लो चार्ट से आप ये जज कर पाओगे कि अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइप का डेसिमल एक्सपांशन है तो इनटू विच कैटेगरी वी कैन ग्रुप इट, लाइक इनटू रैशनल और इरैशनल. ओके, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ डेसिमल एक्सपांशन. देखिए, अगर डेसिमल एक्सपांशन है टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप का, टर्मिनेटिंग मीन्स व्हाट? जो एक जगह पे स्टॉप हो जाता है, जिसका कोशेंट लाइक 0.275, दैट्स इट. 0.323, that's it. Okay, अगर इसी तरह स्टॉप हो जाए तो that is known as terminating. अगर डेसिमल एक्सपांशन टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप का है तो always the number is a rational number. Okay, अगर डेसिमल एक्सपांशन is of terminating type, एग्जाम्पल आप ले लो, जैसे 0.275, 0.233, 0.75, 0.5, ये सारे जो भी एग्जाम्पल्स है आर ऑफ टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप. अगर इस टाइप का आपको क्वोशंट मिलता है, वंस यू गो फॉर पी बाई क्यू फॉर्म टू डेसिमल एक्सपांशन, अगर आपका क्वोशंट ऐसा आता है टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप का, तो आपका जो नंबर है, जो आपका पी बाई क्यू फॉर्म है, इज ऑफ रैशनल टाइप, राइट? अभी इसमें द सेकेंड कैटेगरी इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग मतलब क्या? जिसका कोई एंड ही ना हो. ओके, suppose you are having it as 0.2755555 and so on. So this is non-terminating, कहीं पे स्टॉप नहीं हो रहा उसका क्वोशंट. ओके, तो वो जो P by Q फॉर्म होगा वो आइदर रिकरिंग होगा या तो नॉन रिकरिंग होगा. रिकरिंग का मीनिंग मैंने आपको क्या बताया? रिपीटिंग. अगर वो रिपीटिंग फैशन का है, जैसे यहाँ पे 5555 इज गेटिंग रिपीटेड, राइट? अगर इस फैशन का क्वोशंट है रिकरिंग टाइप का, देन अगेन द नंबर इज रैशनल नंबर, क्योंकि सच टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स इसको आप P by Q फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो. ओके, सो द कैटेगरी ऑफ नंबर इज अ रैशनल नंबर. बट अगर आपका नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉन रिकरिंग नंबर हुआ, मीन्स व्हाट? अगर आपका कुछ ऐसा एग्जाम्पल है 4053235789 whatever random numbers which is not getting repeated और कहीं पे खत्म भी नहीं हो रहा, टर्मिनेट भी नहीं हो रहा, अगर इस कैटेगरी का नंबर है तो उस पर्टिकुलर नंबर को आप कहोगे इरैशनल नंबर. क्यों? क्योंकि सच नंबर्स कैन नॉट बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इनटू P by Q फॉर्म. जो हमने एग्जांपल्स देखे थे, जैसे √2, √3, √7, pi, these are all examples of irrational number which couldn't be represented into P by Q form. तो वो कैटेगरी कौन सी रहेगी? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिकरिंग टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. Very clear? If you're having this flowchart in your mind, wherein the decimal expansion could be divided into two, the terminating, non-terminating. अगर terminating रहा तो that are rational numbers. अगर non-terminating है तो दो टाइप अगेन आ जाएगी, recurring, non-recurring. अगर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिकरिंग हुआ तो दैट इट इज रैशनल. इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिकरिंग, देन डेफिनेटली इट इज इरैशनल नंबर. क्लियर? दिस शैल हेल्प यू solve the further examples of the exercise. Fine. Moving to the exercise number 1.3. Okay. Coming to the exercise number 1.3, इसमें आप अगर देखोगे तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, राइट द फॉलोइंग इनटू डेसिमल फॉर्म और उसकी आप टाइप बताइए. आपको सम्स दिए गए हैं इनटू P by Q फॉर्म, उसको आपको लाना है इनटू डेसिमल फॉर्म एंड फिर उसकी टाइप बतानी है, दैट वेदर इट इज टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, रिकरिंग और नॉन रिकरिंग. ठीक है, तो वन बाय वन विल सॉल्व ईच ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स, इनटू व्हिच द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज यू नीड टू डिवाइड 36 by 100, कीपिंग 100 over here, 36 over here. As 36 is smaller than 100, तो हम पहले ही क्या करेंगे? We'll apply a decimal so that we get a 0 over here, right? So अभी 100 3s is 300, रहा कितना? 60. Fine, again smaller than 100, applying a 0 again here. 100 6s is 600. What is the remainder then? 0. Fine. So यहाँ पे quotient आपका क्या आया? 0.36. 0.36 खत्म हो जाता है वहां पे. So it is which variety? Terminating. Recur हो रहा है? Repeat हो रहा है? नहीं. तो terminating non-recurring type of a variety. So first example having a solution as 36 by 100 का P by Q form is 0.36 and the variety is terminating non-recurring type of a decimal expansion. Fine. This is how you are supposed to write the complete solution. आप पूरा ही solution दिखाइए, उसका final answer लिखिए and then you write the type of the decimal form. Fine. Coming to the next example wherein you are supposed to divide 1 by 11. Now what is happening over here? 1 is smaller than 11. So you'll apply a decimal पहले ही, so you'll get a 0 here. Now again 10 is smaller than 11. तो आप क्या करेंगे और एक 0 लगा देंगे so that you get a 0 over here. अब क्या करेंगे? अभी 11 maybe 9 is 99, right? So 9 will give you 99. Remaining कितना रहा? 1. Now what to do? Again we'll apply a 0 over here so that we get a 0 over here, right? Again a 0 over here. Then again 9 is 99. Again 1 getting remainder. Fine. So फिर से 0. Again it is smaller than 11. 0 over here. 0. 9 are 99. Again 1. And the process will go on and on. Okay. So what is happening over here? You are getting your quotient repeated. ये कौन सी कैटेगरी हो गई? Recurring. Terminate हो रहा है क्या? नहीं हो रहा. तो कौन सी कैटेगरी हो गई? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिकरिंग. सो राइट डाउन द एग्जांपल एज 1 by 11 has a decimal expansion of 0.090909 and so on. It is of a category of non-terminating and recurring. Fine. Make sure you write the full forms in your answers. I am just telling you in the short form, that is non-terminating recurring. Okay, you need to write the full form stating the given P by Q form. उसके बाजू में आप लिखिए कि आपको decimal form क्या मिला and वो कौन सी टाइप का है. Fine, this gives you the final answer. Giving you the third example, 4 1 by 8. इसको solve करना का method you know already. 8 into 4 would be 32 plus 1 upon 8 is how much? 33 by 8. Okay, so if you want to solve this, how will you solve? You need to divide by 8 the number 33. Fine. So 8 4s is how much? 32. You are remaining with 1. 1 is smaller than 8. Putting a dot over decimal over here, you'll get your 10. 8 1s is 8. You'll get your 2 as your remainder. Then 2 again smaller than this. You'll put a 0 over here. 8 2s is 16. You'll get your remainder as 4. Fine. Now putting a 0 again over here. 8 5s is how much? 40. So 40 you'll get a remainder as 0. Fine. तो इसमें आपका क्वोशंट क्या आ गया? क्वोशंट की वैल्यू आ गई आपकी 4.125. So ये कौन सी वैरायटी का हो गया? This is your answer, right? The decimal expansion of 4 1 by 8 would be 33 by 8 would be how much? 4.125. ये कौन सी टाइप का हो गया? It is getting terminated. कहीं पे स्टॉप हो रहा है? Yes. So it is terminating type. Recur हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा. So terminating non-recurring. Terminating non-recurring type of a P by Q form. Okay. So this is how you solve the given P by Q form into the decimal form and then give the type of the decimal form. Moving to the next sums. Okay. Coming to the fourth example wherein the P by Q form given to us is how much? That is 3 by 13. You need to divide 3 by 13. Fine. Now 3 is smaller than 13. So you'll apply a decimal over here to get a 0 behind 3. Right. Now 3 2s is how much? 26. You're having a remainder as 4. Again putting a 0 at the back. 3 maybe 3s is 39. You'll have a remainder as 1. Fine. 1 smaller than 13. Have a 0 behind. Still 10 is smaller than 13. You can have a 0 in the quotient to have one more 0. Now what you will do is 13 7 is how much? 91. You're remaining with 9. Okay. Now 0 over behind. You'll have your 13 maybe 6 is how much? 13 6 is how much? 18. 6 ones are 6 and 78. Fine. So you are remaining with how much? 12. Remaining with 12. Right. Again a 0 on the back. You will have your 13 nines is how much? 27 and 9 ones are and 11. 117. Fine. You are remaining with how much? 3. Again putting a 0 over here. What is happening now? Again you are getting your 30 over here, which is same as 30 over here, means the cycle will go on and on. Okay, you'll have your quotient getting repeated into this fashion. Okay, तो आप इसको किस तरह लिख पाओगे? If the quotient is getting repeated in a pattern, आप किस तरह लिख पाओगे? 0.230769 and ऊपर उसका bar. The bar on the top of the number makes the sense that those numbers are getting repeated. Fine. So अगर आपको इसका फॉर्म का टाइप बताना है, डेसिमल फॉर्म का टाइप, तो आप क्या बताओगे? It is terminating? No. So it is non-terminating. Right? Is that recurring? Yes. It is repeating into this fashion. So recurring. So this is the decimal expansion of 3 by 13. That is this into non-terminating recurring type. Fine. Coming to the next example, that is 2 by 11. अगर आपको इसको दिखाना है 2 by 11 को, तो आप कैसे दिखाओगे? That is dividing 2 by 11. So पहले दो छोटा है 11 से, तो you'll put a decimal point over here to have a 0 behind. Then what will you do? 11 ones is 11. Fine. You are remaining with 9. Then 0 again. Then 11 eights is how much? 88. You are remaining with 2. 0 again. 1 is 11. You are remaining with 8. 0 again. You are remaining with 9 and 0 again, and you will follow the same pattern again and again. So ये भी repeat हो रहा है. So the decimal expansion of the given P by Q form, that is 2 by 11, is having a decimal expansion of the form 0.1818 into repeating fashion. Fine. So ये कौन सी type का हो गया? Non-terminating recurring, same as this. Very clear and very easy. Fine. Moving to the next example, that is going to divide 329 by 400. Okay. Now 329 is smaller than 400. Yeah. So putting a decimal to have a 0 behind. Now 400 8s are 8 4s is 32. So 400 8s is 3200. Here you are remaining with 90. Fine. Now 90 is smaller than 400. So again putting a 0 over here. 400 2s is how much? 800. Okay. So you are remaining with 100 now. Fine. Now इसको क्या करेंगे? और 100 से रह रहा है आपका, तो और एक 0 लगा देंगे. Fine. So आपका जो रहता है 4 2s are, that is again 800. You are remaining with 200. Fine. So now again एक 0 लगा दिया तो बचा आपका 2000. Fine. तो 400 into 5 is how much? It is exactly 2000. So you are remaining with 0. Fine. So the decimal expansion of this particular P by Q form, that is 329 by 400, is how much? It is 0.8225. यहीं पे आपका खत्म हो जाता है. तो this is which variety, which form? It is terminating form of non-recurring type of a decimal expansion. Fine. Terminating non-recurring. Got it? So this is very easy. Whenever you are given your P by Q form, go ahead with dividing that particular number to get your decimal form, and फिर उसकी type देख लीजिए आप. ठीक है? And once you complete the complete procedure, आपको end में mention करना है कि आपका answer क्या आया and then उसकी type. Clear? So this was about the first question number 1 of exercise number 1.3, that is on the page 14 of NCERT book. Fine.